Alright guys, we're on the London Underground Circle line. Here we go. We're at Embankment Station. This is not where we got on, but this is where I start recording. Sorry I'm using the S4 to record, just my TX30 is out of memory. This is the Circle Line train around the city. Circle Line via Victoria on High Street, Kensington. We're going to actually get off at High Street, Kensington. Sorry you can barely see it.
The next station is Westminster. Change for the Jubilee line.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Here we are at Westminster Station. We've been in Embankment in Westminster before. So here we are at Westminster Station.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Westminster.
Here we are. Oh wow, there's a lot of people.
The next station is St James's Park. This is the Circle Line train via Victoria and High Street, Kensington.
¿Cuánto cobra? Coño, por todo eso te dieron dinero.
I thought there's another train on by. Here's the rest of the train. It's very busy. Here's the Circle Line.
St James's Park.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
You know why? Probably some people, a ton of people go on Westminster is because that's where Big Ben and Westminster Abbey is, and the London Eye, Coca-Cola London Eye. But here we are at the St. James Park Station. Oh, wow, look at that vintage digital clock. That's amazing. Oh. That's a vintage digital clock.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
There's another train coming by. I apologize if you can't see it.
Victoria. This is the Circle Line train via Victoria and High Street, Kensington.
I apologize about that if something happened there. But there's another train. Just the viewfinder is freezing up. I don't know if the camera froze or whatever. But it's up there. High Street, Kensington, back. I guess the next station is Victoria. When you arrive at Victoria, that'll be it. Oh, it's a little outside area.
The next station is Victoria. Change for the Victoria Line, National Rail Services and Victoria Coach Station.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Here we are at Victoria Station. That'll be it. Oh man, there's still a ton of people getting on. Hopefully they'll all fit.
Lights are gapped between the train and the platform.
This is